Hello guys, right, let's do some sand casting. Right, bit freezing cold out here, bit noisy with the wind and traffic and stuff going past the house, but I'm going to, there's a very good chance might have to give this back to the landowner tomorrow. This is that sword thingy, so I'm going to I'm going to melt some pewter. This is a 1930s pewter milk thingy. I'm going to smash that up, melt it down. I'm going to try and make a replica of this out of pewter in the delph sand. Right, here we go. Right, that's in the pot. Just let that heat up and melt down. I didn't film the bashing it up because it upset some folk last time, so well, there you go. Right, so I'm going to go ahead, attempt to make a cast out of this. Put this in as neat as possible, pack it down tight. Oh, I can't do this with one hand. Right, I'll carry on and I'll get back to you. Right, I've rolled that bit out flat, so I'll put some of this down. Baby powder. It's just so I can separate the sand. And I'm going to start off with the flat end this time. Someone told me to use the flat end first, so that's what I shall do. About there. Does mean there'll be because it's concave on the other side of this, there's going to be a little bit of a bubble, but that's okay, that's not a problem. Right, so that's that bit. We need to do, oh yeah, wait, where's my screw? There it is. Need to put that in, don't I? Bit big, that one. Oh, it's windy and cold. Let's use that one. I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm sick of this weather now. It's not funny. Right, let's put the lid on. Oh, please go on. It's because I got sand in there. Hang on, right, we'll be right back. Alright, got the lid on. And I'm just going to top it up with more delph sand. On that. God, wind. Oh, it's so cold. I'll tell you, don't anybody complain about the summer being hot if we do get a hot summer. Right. Hopefully, this should just come off in one bit. So far so good. way it's not damaging the artifact. There we go. Get rid of that bit. Okay. Right, so I'll put these two pieces together, clamp them shut. Now we're just waiting for the pewter to melt. It's starting to get there. Yeah, it's starting to melt. And I will see you in a minute. Right, I have my safety goggles on. I should be wearing a mask, and don't worry, I'm well ventilated. Doesn't excuse the fact I don't have a mask. I have one on order, and it'll be here soon. So this is pewter. I'm not messing about with lead until I get that mask. Here we go. There we have it. Right, I'll leave that for about 10 minutes, and I'll go and stand well back, and I'll get back to you. Right, get the gloves on. It's heat-proof gloves. Oops. Makes it awkward. Okay. Let us see. That's the back, I hope. God, that's stuck. I have to take the glove off. Hey, there we go. Right. Is it hot? Oh, it's cooled down anyway. Let's see how this. Let's see if this has worked. I have to put you down again. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. It's looking good. So far, so good. Wow. You know what? I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Obviously it needs a bit of trimming, and where the hole's supposed to be there, I could just drill that through if I wanted to with my Dremel. Yeah, I'm actually very happy with that. There's the original. This one's made out of brass. This one's made out of pewter. Awesome. Right. If you just bear with me a second, guys, I just want to do a shout out. Hang on a sec. Right, here they are side by side. I've trimmed this one up a bit. It's yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad little copy. So I'm happy with that. It's always right to return things to the, because even if you find it yourself on someone else's land, it's still their property. So let's not forget that, and we must respect that. Okay, so anyway, I want to do a quick shout out, if I may, to Scottish Relics. They're doing a 1,000 subscription giveaway. They're nearly there. They're at 817. Most of you guys probably know them anyway. Handsome devils playing in the woods. Anyway, I'm going to leave the link to this this video in the description. So please, if you haven't subscribed to them, go over, click the link, go over and subscribe, please. Hit their notification bell. Give the video a like, and if you comment on there, I don't know, Detector Kev sent me. That way you're leaving a comment, so YouTube won't steal your subscription back off them. So yeah, if you go over and say hello and watch their videos, they're awesome guys. Alright, okay, that's it then for now. Thank you all so very much for all your sort of continued support. I'm going out metal detecting tomorrow, don't care what kind of weather it is. I'm going back to my new permission. Hopefully we'll find some more interesting relics. Until then, as always, be kind, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next.